So, hello everyone, it's me again, Tina. So today I just came from work and then it's already midnight and then I'm gonna open my gift from my husband. And she did open it but did not finish. She's thinking what's inside. So let's open it. I know what it is, but still. I'm excited to do an unboxing. She chose me this. She let me choose my gift. She told me, you want this? And I said, yes, of course. You see? She's complaining. There's too much rubbish. I've been wanting this bag long time ago. Since last year. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw that box. I just want this one. So that's the receipt. I'm gonna keep that one. See? I'm gonna use this on my birthday trip. It's I don't know, I forgot the name, but it's a backpack.
Cute, yeah.
Yeah, it's very cute. Small one.
Gumaya ni kaya. Igo ang cellphone.
Yeah, it's very cute. So that's why you can use it as a backpack and a shoulder bag and anything you want. So, I dropped something.
Wala mo ganang mga bag nga pambata.
Yeah. I wanted this one very long time, but thank you, bye. Alright, I won't finish it opening, so that's it. Bye!